And welcome, and today we're going to look at how to answer can you questions. How to answer can you questions. Okwanukula ebibuuzo bya osobola gwe. Okwanukula ebibuuzo bya osobola gwe. Okay, so what are can you questions? Can you questions are aimed at inquiring someone's ability to perform a task. Can you questions are aimed at inquiring someone's ability to perform a task. Once again, they're aimed at inquiring someone's ability to perform a task. Ebibuuzo bino biba bibuuza busobozi bw'omuntu okukola ekintu. Ebibuuzo bino biba bibuuza busobozi bw'omuntu okukola ekintu. To answer these questions, copy the can in the question and put it as the last word in your answer. Once again, to answer these questions, copy the can in the question and put it as the last word in your answer. Okopa osobola mu kibuuzo n'ogiteeka ewasemba mu kwanukula nga nsobola. Okopa osobola mu kibuuzo n'ogiteeka ewasemba mu kwanukula nga nsobola. Please note there are positive and negative replies. As we saw, there are positive and negative sentences. The same applies to this case. When you're answering questions, there are positive format. There is positive way of answering and negative way of answering. If negative response, make can to be cannot. If negative response, make can to be cannot or can't. Once again, for negative response, make can to be cannot or can't. Oba oyanukula nedda sisobola mu Luganda. Oba oyanukula nedda sisobola mu Luganda. Okay, let's have some examples. Ebyokulabirako. Number one, we have, can you run? It's a question. Can you run? If positive answer, you say, yes, I can. You copy the can in the question and place it as the last word in your answer to form, yes, I can. This in Luganda is, osobola gwe okudduka. Osobola gwe okudduka. If positive answer, you say, yeah, insobola. Yeah, insobola. For negative response, you say, no, I can't, or no, I cannot. No, I cannot. Nedda sisobola. Nedda sisobola. Okay. Can you dance? Can you dance? Negative response, no, I cannot. No, I cannot. So the can for negative response we change to cannot or can't. Nedda sisobola. Nedda sisobola. For positive reply, you say, yes, I can. Yes, I can. Ye nsobola. Ye insobola. Example 3. Can they eat? Can they eat? Please note, here the pronoun used is they. Can they eat? And when you're responding, you have to include they in your answer. Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Or negative answer, you say, no, they can't. No, they can't. Basobola bo okulya, a Luganda version. Basobola bo okulya. Ye basobola. Positive reply. Ye basobola. For negative reply, it's going to be nedda tebasobola. Nedda tebasobola. Example 3. Can they eat? Can they eat? Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Or if negative response, no, they can't. No, they can't. This in Luganda is basobola bo okulya. Basobola bo okulya. Ye, basobola. Ye, basobola. Oba nedda tebasobola. Nedda tebasobola. Next example. Can we pray? Can we pray? The pronoun used is we, and we in Luganda is fe. So, positive reply, you say, yes, we can. Yes, we can. For negative reply, you say, no, we can't. No, we can't. This in Luganda is tusobola fe okusaba. Tusobola fe okusaba. Ye, tusobola. Ye, tusobola. Negative reply, you say, nedda tetusobola. Nedda tetusobola. Osobola gwe okuzina? Osobola gwe okuzina? Ye, nsobola. Ye, nsobola. Negative reply, nedda sisobola. Nedda sisobola. Okay, that is how we answer can you questions. Bye bye. Wait a minute.